Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a long, I don't really want to know if it's long awaited, but it's pretty awaited. It is my annual birthday haul. If you guys did not know, I turned 20, I was gonna say 27. No, not yet. I turned 26 on November 19th. I ended up buying a lot of stuff for myself throughout the month because, and my friends and family did get me presents. So I wanted to share that with you guys because usually every single year you guys are like, oh my God, film the birthday haul. And I'm filming the birthday haul, okay? It is my last day off that I took off from work, so this is my shirt today. Absolutely nothing, even though I'm probably going to be doing some DIY projects and relaxing. Before I jump into a onesie and watch some Christmas movies and organize my house, I wanted to film a few videos. So if you guys want to see, then just keep watching and let's just jump right in. Ooh. I break everything. First things are from my mom and my grandparents and my sister, which yes, it's all in a garbage bag because this is how we had to bring it home last night. It was a thing which is so adorable. I actually did pick out a lot of the stuff because my mom's like, I don't know what to get you. And I was like, okay. So I knew all of this was coming. I'm just gonna say for a disclaimer from my mom and my grandparents. This cute furry mini backpack, this is from Walmart and it is so adorable and I am so excited to use this as my purse because I really miss using a mini backpack and I got rid of a couple of mine just because I wasn't using them. They weren't like what I really wanted. So I'm really excited to use this one for the holiday season and into the winter season because I'm kind of over using a purse right now. I don't know. Just girly things. So yeah. Next things in here are a couple shirts. You guys know that since I am a teacher, I have to look nice for work and sometimes I don't want to, but you know, you gotta live the dream. So I got a couple long sleeve shirts that I am just so in love with. They're so cute from Walmart and it comes with this cute little dream catcher necklace, which you guys know how I feel about dream catchers. It's like one of my weird things that I really like am drawn to, like my energy is just really drawn to them. So I got a maroon one and then I also, everything is just falling down. My life is just falling down. And then I got a black one. This one comes with an owl necklace, which is just really cute too. The necklaces, obviously, I'm probably not gonna wear to work because my kids will probably yank on them and break them. So I'll probably just have to save those for another time. I got this really cute personal birthday card from my mom, so I really do appreciate that. And also, I have to say, I don't have it here with me, or I don't have them here right now with me because I forgot to grab them. I did get a card from my aunt and uncle in North Carolina, so thank you guys for the card. I really do appreciate it. And also from one of my subby friends, Andrea. You guys know she sends me a card like every season, every holiday season, every birthday, and I really do love and appreciate them. So thank you again, girl, and I'm sorry I don't have them here to show you guys, but they're on my fridge. And we also got a Christmas card from one of David's aunts because she's like, I wanted to be the first one to send you. And I was just like, okay, so my fridge is gonna be filled with Christmas cards this year. And David and I want to take, well, I want to take a picture to do like a Christmas card to send to my, I want to take a picture to send to our family and friends, like as like our little Christmas card, our first Christmas together as a married couple. So that's coming soon. I'm obsessed with these for a few reasons. They don't cost a lot at Walmart. So ladies, if you need you want to buy like a warm sweatshirt, like trendy, yeah, get one of these because they are so warm and comfy. I got this light blue one, which is so cute. It has no logos on it because I can't wear logos to work. And it's so comfy and warm. Like seriously, I wore one all weekend and it just kept me nice and warm. So that's what it looks like. And these are only like 10 bucks at Walmart. So ladies, like don't go to Victoria's Secret, go to Walmart. It's so cute. Things, especially since my house, I get drafts through these windows and I need to figure something out to get rid of that because money, electricity bills. So we're gonna figure that out. And then the next couple things are a few sweaters that I can wear. This I'm probably not wearing to work. Let's be real. I'm probably gonna save this for like holiday parties. But it's just so cute. It's got this cute little cross pattern on the sides and it's just, I have no idea what I'm wearing Thanksgiving yet. Like I just kind of want to be chill because David's family is chill. So I don't know. We'll see about that. And then I got this really cute shirt. My mom got a couple of these that had the cute little ties in the sides and I was just like, oh my gosh, I need that shirt. Where did you get it? Walmart. So I ended up getting one of these and it's really cute. Really excited to wear it. I just like to have like nice-ish clothes. Like Walmart knows where it's at. Let's be real. So they got me was a cute onesie. It's just very like Christmassy, holiday-y. Has a cute hood on there with some fake fur. It is just so cute. I'm so excited to jump into this after this video because I'm freezing right now and I literally wear onesies so much. As you guys know, they're one of my favorite things to wear when I'm home and chilling out. And they have no feet, by the way. I kind of have have a love-hate relationship with footy pajamas because I don't like to wear socks to bed. I don't like to wear socks that much in general unless I'm really cold. So to have onesies that don't have the feet sometimes is really, really nice. So this was a big, big present and I was really excited to get it. I saw somewhere online that these were like going viral because they're on Twitter, they're just like, ladies, if you need a vanity, it charges your phone too. I was like, what? We found it and I'm so excited about it. It's the iHome vanity speaker. It's Bluetooth. You could charge your phone in it, hands-free speakerphone calling, full light color, full spectrum color lighting, and Siri and Google Now voice control through the speaker. So the bottom part's a speaker and then the top's the mirror. So I'm so excited for this. Oh my goodness, like I can't. This is probably one of my favorite things that I've gotten ever in my life because I love my mirror. I really do like my little Impressions vanity mirror. I do love it. It gets the job done, but I have to put batteries in it all the time and I don't really like to do that. So I'm very happy and grateful to have this now. So the last few things that my mom and my grandparents got me were some things from Sephora. So the first is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer and Sleeping Mask. And then it comes with a jelly sheet mask as well in this cute little tote bag, which I'm so excited for. Oh my goodness, I love this line. I love the sleeping mask that I have. Like, it's just so hydrating and it smells so good. So you guys know watermelon, anything watermelon, like it needs to come to me. Like it's everything. And then she also got me this 3D Dazzle glitter. It's basically the liquid eyeshadows from Stila that everyone's like going crazy for. So I was just like, yes, queen, we need these. I think honestly I'm gonna have to use these when I go to David's work's holiday party because since I get out of work at 6, and the party's at 6:30. I'm gonna have to come home and just like rush, which I don't like to do, but you know, whatever happens in life, y'all. So in here is Kitten Karma, Perlina, and Golden Girl. So I'm just so excited to try these out. I've heard such good things. I'm just so excited. So the next things are from David, and this year he was like, I don't know what to get you. And usually, like I say, every year he just has me pick something out and then that's my present. But he kind of went a little crazy on me because I really wanted these. Okay, here's a little background. You guys know I already have a pair of these and I love them so much. One of my kids actually crapped on them. I don't know how to say that in a more gentle way. Basically, they were sitting on my lap, waking up from nap time like a while ago. Accidentally, you know, it kind of came out and it went onto my boot and it really upset me. Not even for just that reason, you know, it happens with kids, like whatever, like, you know, you have to expect it when you're a teacher. But I've just been wanting this specific pair for so long, for probably as long as I have my current ones now. So David, yeah. We ended up going to the UGG store at Foxwoods because we went to Foxwoods over the weekend to Sugar Factory for my birthday and it was so awesome. You guys saw the pictures on Instagram. I was obsessed. And first he got me a little card that says to wife from husband because he's just my little dork and I love him so much. You guys, these are, I'm not wearing these to work. Like, it's not happening. I ended up getting these adorable black bowed Uggs. Oh my god, they are so cute. Unfortunately, they weren't on sale, which I was kind of hoping for because they had some sales in the store, but they are just so cute and so pretty, and I'm so wearing them this weekend though because, like, hello, like, hi. Everyone loves an UGG queen, so I'm just really excited about these. So I am just so happy. So I'm just, I cannot talk. I can't talk. I love my husband so much. Like, I love David. I just can't. Not even just over a pair of boots. Like, I know some people are gonna be like, wow, she only loves her husband because he bought her those boots. No. I love him because he tries, and even though he has a bad memory, he still tries to, like, you know, he still tries to make me happy and he takes care of me, and I appreciate that. Anyways, he got me a couple other things that I did pick out. I did go to Pink, which I'll show you guys later on. I got just a pair of leggings, nothing crazy because I'm not really a fan of Victoria's Secret right now, but he got me a confetti pop glitter and glitter. Where are we? Confetti pop, vanilla, and glitter rush, and a new crush. I'm way too old to be reading these damn names. Basically, it's a body spray and it smells really, really good. So I ended up grabbing this and David got it for me and it just smells so good. Honestly, it does smell like something I already have, which I've already talked about in videos that Victoria's Secret and Pink really repackaged their scents like 24/7, but it kind of smells a little bit different. It smells like something I've had before. It smells like maybe that Pink Vacay perfume I have, but it smells really good. Love it a lot. Well, it's probably gonna be my new scent for December, like, I'm not even gonna lie. I've been on the hunt for this, you guys, forever. And I went to Starbucks yesterday to get my free a drink for my birthday, and this happened. So as if I didn't already buy myself one, which I did, that was on sale like quite a while ago, beginning of November, I ended up getting the hollow one because I cannot resist, and it's just so cute. I actually really like the texture of it, so it's not just the bottle, like, so I'm sorry ASMR, and if that sound bothered you, but it is just so cute. I absolutely love this cup. Like, oh, just the way it looks in the light right now, so pretty. So I'm really happy to have this. Just like a huge thank you to David and to my family. Like they just go crazy for me, and I really do appreciate it. So this weekend I ended up going to Sugar Factory for my birthday, like I said, with Danielle and her boyfriend Zach, and then my friend Alba and her husband Adrian. So it was just the 6 of us, and it was really fun, and I really loved it a lot. Got a little turnt, you know what I mean? They ended up giving me presents as well, and Danielle Marie. She actually was on vacation the week before my birthday. She was in Arizona and Vegas, so I don't know if she went to a Bite Beauty store. I'm gonna only assume that she did, because she ended up getting me some Bite Beauty stuff, since it's literally her favorite. Like, I get her Bite Beauty stuff every year for Christmas lately. Like, she's just obsessed. So I got a little sample of a lip balm and a little lip mask, and she got me one of their multi-sticks, like shimmer prismatic multi-stick. This one's an oyster pearl, which is so gorgeous. I love this packaging. Like, hello, hi, how are we today? And that is what it looks like right there. And if we I haven't swatched it yet, so ooh, that is pretty. That's a really pretty color. So I'm really excited because I've heard really good things about these multi-sticks, and I kind of wish that a lot more beauty gurus would like talk about them more. I know at least some of the girls that I watch, because I feel like Bite Beauty is a little bit underrated from the stuff that I've tried before from Influencer, as you guys know, and just in general. Like, I feel like their products are really, really good, and why aren't they? I just don't get why they're not talked about more. And then she got me one of the, I'm gonna say Aeropostale. This is not from fucking Aeropostale. Will you get it together? One of the Astrology by Bite Beauty Scorpio lipstick, because I am a Scorpio. But she ended up getting it for me, so I am really excited. It's just this really pretty orange color. Wow, it looks real freaking neon. Holy crap. So, oh wow. So that's what that looks like. And it has the little Scorpio emblem right there on the lipstick tube. I like that it's on the tube and not in the lipstick. I don't know, because if you wear it down to a certain point, then it's gone. I don't know. Call me a weirdo. I don't know if I'm gonna end up using it a lot, but it's definitely like a Scorpio collector's thing for me, because I'm a Scorpio. I have a lot of weird collections. You guys know aliens, my horoscope, sunsets, fortune cookies, dream catchers. Yeah, like I just have a lot of weird things. So the next couple things were from Alba. She went a little nuts, so let's be real, but I'm very excited for everything. So in here, she got me a whole bunch of sponges, which I can always use, especially, oh, they got little booty benders and little tiny ones, and they're just gonna be perfect for doing makeup on other people, doing makeup on myself. So I'm really excited for these. Now I'm stocked up and I don't need any sponges until I go buy more sponges, because logic. And then she ended up getting me a whole thing of scrunchies, because obviously, like, I love my scrunchies. Like, that's all I wear when I'm not working. I do wear regular hair ties at work just because I feel like it looks nicer, but I love scrunchies, so I'm so excited for these. And then she also got me another vanity mirror. Now I have 3, so a couple of these are probably gonna be backups in case one breaks, but I really like it a lot. It's pink, and it's basically the same sort of situation as my Impressions vanity one right here. So, oh, and I'm filming on my new phone. Hey, now I've got like 3 of them. Oh, dimmer. Touch dimmer. Is that, oh, for gradual dimming and brightening. Oh, that's cool. I don't think that one does it. Thank you, Alba. I appreciate it. I'm gonna be using all these. In this other bag, she ended up getting me scented soap petals that you could just throw in the bath, because I guess her theme of her present was, because she was like, you inspired me. The theme of your presents is relaxation, which I need majorly, and I don't know how to relax, because even though I've been off for a couple days, I've just been running around the house organizing, cleaning. Like, I've just been a crazy mess, but that's what they look like. They're so pretty. I'm so excited to use these in my bath. To go with that, she got me some little sexual bath bombs. You can always use some bath bombs. And I think I'm actually gonna take, I don't know if this is supposed to be an ornament, but I'm gonna use it as an ornament because it looks like one. Ooh, that one looks like an ornament too. Very excited. I love bath bombs. I actually haven't used them quite a long time because I've just, you know, been busy and lazy, and my bathtub it doesn't suck, but I don't know. Maybe we'll have a bath this weekend, who knows. And then the last thing, which I'm probably not gonna use, let me be real, this is probably gonna be on display because it's so pretty in my bathroom. This is a bubble bath white cotton, which smells so, so good. And I'm so excited to just have it sit on my bathroom because it just looks so nice, you know, like pretty. So thank you so much. Oh, hello, as I just knock someone out with that, if someone was there. So thank you so much, Alba. Again, I really do appreciate all the gifts. I don't know, just like, now that I'm older, like, I don't really care if like gifts aren't like, I don't know, like just for someone to think of me, like that's all that matters. Like I really don't care about presents at all. Maybe it's me getting older, but I honestly really don't care. I know, it's weird. When you get older, you start caring more about other people than yourself, so yeah. So the last present that I received was from Christina, and I love her so much. Obviously, she's one of my best friends. You guys have seen her on my channel before. Same with Alba and Danielle. I love them all. They mean the world to me. I'm really excited for this because she just got a Cricut for her birthday, and if you guys don't know what a Cricut is, it's a craft machine that you can cut shapes out of. We have one at work that all of the girls use. I don't really know how to use it. I just watch them use it, you know, but it seems like it's a lot of fun. And she ended up Cricuting me my own little water bottle. So it is so cute. It says, Sam, you're one in a melon. And it's just so cute. I love it so much. So again, thank you, Christina. I know she's like, kind of bad. I'm like, no, it's so cute and I love it. And ooh, it matches the colors on the inside. That's so cute. Make it, shake it, and take it. Ooh, wait, what are we shaking here? What are we shaking? I'm very confused. I'm just really excited. It seems like a really cool cup and she did such a great job with it. I think it's so pretty. It's just so cute. I love it so much. So thank you, Christina. You were just, oh, it's a cup birthday, honestly. Like I have so many new cups now. Dave is just like, oh, she doesn't need any more cups. And then she also got me a cute birthday card that is just kind of like a little book, but I'm not gonna read it to you guys because, you know, personal. And then she shoved it with a lot of extra watermelon things, like some, I was gonna say soft soap. This isn't soft soap. Soft lips chapstick, and I always need chapstick, like at work. My lips are always dry, at home, no matter where I am. So thank you. These are gonna be put to some good use, like let me tell you. Of course, Sour Patch Watermelon, one of my favorite candies of all time. So yes, queen. And then the last couple things in here is just a little pair of sunglasses, which are so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys know my obsession with sunglasses. So these are probably gonna be taken with me this weekend because they're so cute. And I really love them a lot. So thank you, Christina. And finally, the last thing is a cute little beanie, which I can always use these for work because we take the kids out when it's cold. So, you know, I need something for my head, and it's pink and it's a little puff ball in there, and I'm just really happy. So thank you so much again with all the hollow wrapping in there. I was like, yes, queen. So you'll see like little stuff like this. Like I don't expect anyone to get me like busy stuff. Like I really don't care now. I just want to be happy and go shopping. I still just want to shop on my birthday and have Chick-fil-A and just be a happy duck, which is all that I did. So I'm very happy. Okay, so now as you guys know, I haven't seen David's mom or his aunt, so I didn't get any presents from them yet. I kind of hope they didn't get me presents because I do feel bad, you know, because it's just me and it's a holiday season and money's tight and everything. So if I do get anything else, I will let you guys see on the vlog. I am going to be vlogging this upcoming week that you guys are probably seeing this video. So stay tuned for that. It was supposed to be just a birthday vlog, but then I didn't really vlog much. So it's going to be a whole week vlog, and it's going to be Thanksgiving and Black Friday weekend vlog. Maybe a little bit of a haul because I still have to buy dry shampoo when it's on sale at Ulta. So you guys will be there for that. But that is literally everything. I have some stuff that I bought for myself, but I kind of want to put that in a different video, so please don't shoot me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and gave you ideas of maybe things you want to get other people for Christmas. Like I said, like little things like what Christina did, what Alba did, like all that kind of stuff. Like you don't have to spend a lot of money to, like, you know, it comes from the heart. Like that's all. It comes from the heart. Like all it matters. Like it doesn't matter how much you spend, and I feel like a lot of times a lot of people forget that during the holiday season, like especially me now, because I am on a budget, on a fucked up budget because I fucked up the budget, but I'm still, you know, just gonna get everyone presents, even though it's probably not gonna be a lot of things, but you know, you do what you can. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one, which is going to be another haul, but a more fun holiday haul. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.